Hello! Today I'm going to be walking you through how I apply my wigs. First, I start by putting my deep-fried hair into a crispy little ponytail. Really slick your hair back, the tighter the better. Then you'll want to get out your wig cap. And get your head into the cap, which can take some time. But I'd say it's worth it to flatten everything out. Make sure you let your ears out there, if you like hearing stuff they're necessary. This wig specifically comes from Appearanz shop. They have many other luxurious wigs, if you aren't so into the one I choose. It has clips on the inside to comb through your hair, better setting the wig on your head. I like to dive into my wigs and adjust after. You'll want to fasten the wig with the little tightener. I believe there's two, I just stick them together. I'm not an expert, but I think with adjusting I managed to make my wigs fit pretty realistically. Once you have the wig set on your head, you're good to go, and show it off. And you can use code Quinlan15 on Appearanz shop to get a discount if you buy. The wig number I got is on screen now in case you'd like the same.